Good morning, children. Today we are going to do exercise in the grammar textbook, chapter name present continuous and past continuous. Let's do. We'll read this passage and notice the form of the verb used in the text. It is a rainy weekend. It is raining heavily, so we cannot go out. We are spending the whole day home. My cousins are visiting us. That's some good news. 4 of us are playing a computer game. Grandpa is making some spicy soup and mom is getting the pakoras ready. Dad is helping in the kitchen. We are listening to the music on the radio. We are waiting for the snacks and soup. Not a bad day after all. Not a bad day after all. Did you notice a new present tense form which has been used in the passage? It is the be plus verbs plus ing form. It's raining, are spending, are visiting. So you can see what we learned in the passage. We noticed some new present tense form which has been used in the passage. What has been done? It has been used in the passage. It is be plus verb plus ing, means helping verb plus ing. So forms are what? Is raining, are spending, are visiting. When a verb describes an action that is continuing for some time, it is said to be in the continuous form. It is also called the progressive form, as it describes an action that is in progress. The present continuous is used to talk about an action which is happening at the moment of speaking. It is snowing now, outside now. My sister is watching TV. Example is giving. It is showing what is happening at the moment of speaking, that is present continuous tense. 2. To talk about fixed plan. In the near future. Example, Ajanta is bowling in the next match. My father is going to Hyderabad tomorrow. This is the fixed plan which is going to happen in the future. Now we will learn more about it. Now we will go to do the exercise. This was the example of present continuous. Now we will do the exercise, children. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous form of the verbs given in the bracket. One has been done for you. What we have to do? Present continuous form we have to write in the blanks with the verbs given in the bracket. My sister is running a marathon. It is run. So helping verb we used is, and after run we have add ing. So it becomes running. So my sister is running a marathon. She is leaving for Nepal next week. Over here in the bracket LEAVE, leave is given. After adding ing is become leaving. So she is leaving for Nepal next week. These girls dash for a picnic next week. Go. But you can see over here these girls are in plural form. So what helping verb we will take? are going for a picnic next week. And after go we are going to add ing. So it becomes going. I dash to my uncle after receiving this gift. So it is what? Write. After write we are going to add ing. I am writing to my uncle after receiving the gift. She dash a magazine. Read. After D what we'll do? We'll add ing. So becomes she is reading. She is reading a magazine. She is reading a magazine. Next, I dash my friend tonight. Meet. Now it is talking about singular, about self, myself only. So what we will use helping verb? am. I am meeting. After T we will add ing. So it becomes meeting. I am meeting my friends tonight. G. He dash us an experiment this evening. So it is show. After show we'll add ing. He is a singular. So what we are going to use is. He is showing us an experiment this evening. Now we'll read all the sentences together. My sister is running a marathon. She is leaving for Nepal next week. These girls are going for a picnic next week. I am writing to my uncle after receiving his gift. She is reading a magazine. I am meeting my friends tonight. He is showing us an experiment this evening. Now we'll do this exercise. Write what's happening in the picture. Give names to each child in the picture. Now you can see what we have to do. We have to look at the picture and we have to explain what is happening and we have to give the name to each child. Okay. Example, you can start like this. It's 3 o'clock on Friday. School is closing for the weekend. What time it has been said? It is 3 o'clock on Friday and it's closing time. It's closing for the weekend. So, in the first picture, what did we see? We saw a girl is packing her bags. So, this is who? This is Riya. Riya is packing her bag. This boy is drinking a water. So what we'll say? Abbu is drinking water. Sonu and Pari are talking. See, you can see over here 2 children are talking. So they are Sonu and Pari. Sonu and Pari are talking. Kunal is closing the window. See, you can see over here the boy name is Kunal. And what he is doing? He is closing the window. Now we'll go to the exercise part. So we have to write over here. It's 3 o'clock on Friday. School is closing for the weekend. Riya is packing her bag. Abbu is drinking water. Sonu and Pari are talking. Kunal is closing the window. Like that you can make many more sentences looking at the picture of your own. You can add more of it. Rahul is closing the switches. He is switching off the switches of the light and fan. Then Mohit is cleaning the blackboard. Right? Like that you can make many more sentences. Now we'll go to the next. Let's learn. The continuous form can be used in the past tense. Past continuous is used. Now we'll go for the past continuous. For action which are going on at a particular time in the past. Means in the past the action has been done. Example, I was singing. Over here you can see was is been added. Means I was singing. I am singing, it's not there. We are talking about the past continuous. My mother was washing her hair. So was is past tense. So it is past continuous. Was washing. When action I1 begin and was going on before action 2 in the past. Example, I was singing action 1 when it began to action 2. When it began to rain, that is action 2. I was singing when it began to rain, that is action 2. They were making dinner when the guest arrived. I was reading a book when the telephone rang. Now we'll go to the exercise part. Let's practice. Complete the sentences using the past continuous form of the verbs given in bracket. One has been done for you. We have to now use past continuous form of verbs given in the bracket. 1. I was eating lunch when Meera came in. Now it is there. EAT. We will add ing with the main verb, but helping verb what will take? Was. Why we will take was? Because we have to write in the past continuous form. What we have to write? We have to write in the past continuous form. So the sentence will become, I was eating lunch when Meera came in. I was eating lunch when Meera came in. Now we'll do another exercise. B number. Jaya dash in the pots when one of them broke. So clean will add ing, but we have to add helping verb in the past continuous. So what it will be? Jaya was cleaning the pots when one of them broke. When one of them broke. C number. While they dash for the bus, they saw a peacock. So what is the bracket? Wait. So while they were waiting, after T we will add ing. And why we have used WERE? Were, because it is more than one person. So it is more than one, more than two. So we'll use were, and it is plural form. While they were waiting for the bus, they saw a peacock. D number. When she dash in the garden, she saw a snake. So what is in the bracket? Work. 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 We'll add ing. So it becomes working. So when she was working, she is what? A pure singular form. So we'll use was for it. So she was working in the garden. She saw a snake. E. It dash hard. So we had to take a taxi. Rain. So we'll add ing. So what the sentence become? Raining. It was raining hard. So we had to take a taxi. F. Your parents dash the shed when I came over. REPAIR. Repair. I will add plus ing. So it becomes repairing. So what is the correct sentence? Your parents were repairing. Why? Because here at parents S is there. It is a plural form. So we'll use WERE, were repairing the shed when I came over. G. He dash a birdhouse when the hammer broke. Make plus ing. Making. Here it is, we are talking about single person. So we'll use was. He was making a birdhouse when the hammer broke. Now we'll read once again all the sentence. Jaya was cleaning the pots when one of them broke. While they were waiting for the sun, they saw a peacock. When she was working in the garden, she saw a snake. It was raining hard, so we had to take a taxi. Your parents were repairing the shed when I came over. He was making a birdhouse when the hammer broke. So, dear children, do this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and clean handwriting. You have to complete this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.